This is a final video to fix Helldivers 2 failed to join game lobby error. And if you cannot play online, let me ask you, are you trying to join a game in Helldivers 2, but it fails with a lobby error? This problem usually happens because network settings block connections. Game files are corrupted or Steam/Game Pass services fail to sync. Sometimes firewall, antivirus, or recent updates also trigger this issue. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with complicated network tweaks, risky file edits, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still do not fix the lobby problem. But on Rexus, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of changing every setting blindly, we fix the exact game network path, service configuration, and system permissions that cause failed lobby joins. This works because it restores proper communication between Helldivers 2 and the servers. The method is fast, safe, and works on all setups once you apply it. You can join game lobbies normally, multiplayer runs smoothly, and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple PCs, and it worked every time. That is why Rexus shares smart, stress-free solutions. If Helldivers 2 failed to join game lobby error, is blocking your gameplay, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.